Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you're into 3D printing, photography, tech and drones in general, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. 8 months since the last time I posted the video. I'm not dead. 3D Print Geek video channel is ongoing and I needed the time to fix my YouTube studio. It was a project I had in mind for a long time, and as you can see here in the back, it's getting into shape. I'm gonna publish a video very soon of a tour of the studio. I want to show you what I've done and what's the improvement for this new year that started late, but at least it started. Today I'm not gonna talk about the studio. I'm gonna talk about a new drone that's on the market, DJI Avata 2, and we basically know everything, even though it's gonna be launched on the 11th of April, so very soon. We have video leakage of it and we know pretty much all of it except some little details. Let's roll the intro first and let's get started. As mentioned, the upcoming DJI Avata 2 drone has been fully exposed in a recent unboxing video, as you can see from these images. Expected to cater to FPV flying enthusiasts, the Avata 2 aims to address shortcomings of its predecessor, the original DJI Avata released in 2022. Leaks suggest significant effort to rectify design flaws and enhance user experience, including improvement in obstacle avoidance sensor and app features. At the moment, what we can see and what was leaked is that we'll probably have obstacle avoidance sensor on the rear side of the drone. I mean, that's already something more, but on the front probably would have been a little bit better. Numerous unboxing and handover videos have surfaced, offering enthusiasts a glimpse into the Avata 2 features, including a sleeker design and improved technology. Let's get into deep of this. The Avata 2 Fly More Combo bundle includes DJI Goggles 3, which is totally new headset, FPV Remote Controller 3, which is not new, and RC Motion 3 joystick controller as spotted in these videos. On the Avata 2 we have a larger CMOS sensor for 4K video and 48 megapixel photo capture. Another practical adjustment on the Avata 2 design is the relocation of the SD card slot, which is now on the side. This can ensure and enhance user convenience during operation. If you already used an Avata 1, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Something else which is really important is sound noise, like the noise that the drone produces. And this new Avata 2 promises just 81 decibel flight noise. That means that it's improved by over 60% compared to the latest version that was released in 2022. Another thing I'm not sure about is if the Motion Control 3, which we already know, is included in the Fly More Combo package. It was not included in the first version, so I really don't know if this amazing controller, because it's a really good controller, will be included in the Fly More Combo. I mean, I see it during the unboxing, in the video you saw, and it comes in a different package. I don't think that box, like joy controller box, fits in the Fly More Combo package. I'm pretty sure it's not, and pretty sure that's gonna be a separate purchase and it will not come in the combo. Other thing we're not sure about is the pricing. I mean, the Fly More Combo for the Avata 1 is currently sitting at 1,029 euros at the moment here in Italy. So I have no idea what the price range will be. I'm pretty sure DJI has in mind to involve more and more people. So I want to hope that the price will not go over the launch price in 2022, which was 629 euros, if I'm not mistaken, just for the drone. And then there was a separate package with all the other accessories, which was roughly 300 euros. Final consideration of the Avata 2 are that I'm sure that it will be an innovative drone and probably the best of FPV in this moment. I really hope that they keep the price down and they don't like hit rocket skies. I mean, the more people use FPV drones, the more the community grows. I mean, that's my opinion. And it's good for everybody because, I mean, if DJI Avata 2 comes out with a new drone, that means the Avata 1 will go down in price and more people can have access to it. That was all for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video and some leaks we just showed you. Smash the like button if you did, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you soon with another video, probably the studio tour.